Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you the comparison between Rocket Money and Monarch Money. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Both Rocket Money and Monarch Money are excellent personal finance apps, but they cater to slightly different needs. Here's a comparison to help you decide which one might be best for you. First of all, Rocket Money. Zero based budgeting. Every dollar is assigned a purpose, making it easier to track spending. Subscription management helps you identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Bill negotiation offers a service to negotiate bills on your behalf. Investment tracking keeps tabs on your investments. Credit score monitoring provides updates on your credit score. Customer support 24/7 chat and email support from their customer service. Now, Monarch Money comprehensive financial monitoring integrates with various financial services like bank accounts and credit cards. Customizable budgeting allows you to create budgets that fit your income and expenses. Credit score monitoring. Similar to Rocket Money, it offers credit score updates. Google Sheets integration. Export your financial data for advanced analysis. User-friendly interface. Clean and intuitive design. Customer support. Responsive email support. Now the question is which one to choose. Rocket Money is best if you need robust subscription management and bill negotiation features. If you want to select Monarch Money, it is ideal for those who want a comprehensive view of their finances with customizable budgeting options. So choice yours. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.